afternoon. My name is Austin Frank. I am the band director at J.R. Tucker High School. I am also the District 1 representative for the Virginia Band and Orchestra Directors Association, and I have the distinct honor of calling out and reading all the students' names who are eligible for all Virginia auditions that will be happening in 2 weeks at James Madison University on February 28th. I will be reading students' names who are also not here due to the cancellation because I believe it is their right to have their name read out whether they are here or not and be recognized. What I am asking is that you all wait until the very end for applause, just so I can get through a name because it is a little bit long list of names. So we're gonna start from the back with percussion and work our way to the front. Feel free to take photos, and at the end we'll leave them up for like a couple seconds to take a photo, and then I'll pass the mic off to introduce our next conductor. I'm gonna get out of the way so you all can see your kids. So starting back in the percussion section, from Mechanicsville High School, Alex Nunnally, Brennan Duzak from Deep Run High School, Nasik Hobbs from Maggie Walker Governor School, Asa Pittman from Mechanicsville High School, Abe Stubblefield from Maggie Walker's Governor School, who received eligibility through SRO, Landon Cullen on string bass from Richmond Community High School, Gabrielle Cornwell from Maggie Walker's Governor School, who received eligibility through SRO, Reed Van Vickel from Atlee High School. Onto the tuba sections, we have Ryan Moore from J.R. Tucker High School. We have Brant Tong from Maggie Walker's Governor School. In the euphonium section, we have Caroline Baird from Douglas Freeman High School. Alexander Kurgan from Deep Run High School. Bass trombone, Brianna Pickering from Hanover High School. Trombones, Reese Moreno from Deep Run High School. Andrew Liu from Deep Run High School. Daniel Morales from Atlee High School. Onto the horn sections, we have Danny Ayers from Godwin High School. We have Charlie Hill from Maggie Walker Governor School, who received eligibility through SRO. Amaria Orange from Atlee High School. Esme Borders from Atlee High School. Vincent Geraldo from Atlee High School. Caleb Martin from King William High School, received eligibility through SRO. Onto the trumpet section, we have Beckett Hines from Douglas Freeman High School. Isaac Ryan from Patrick Henry High School. Ash Behrens from Patrick Henry High School. Mason Rozecki from Atlee High School. Eleanor Parsons from Douglas Freeman received eligibility through SRO. Barry sax, Keegan Branson Forty from New Kent High School. Tenor sax, Anthony Montez from Mechanicsville High School. Alto sax, Gabriel Goff from Mechanicsville High School. Nate Godswa from Douglas Freeman High School. Contrabass clarinet, Jensen Schumacher from J.R. Tucker High School. Bass clarinet, Braden Crockett from Atlee High School. Max Morris from Deep Run High School. In the clarinet section, Haley Grosvenor from Hanover High School. Colette Kim from Maggie Walker Governor School. Riley Harris from Atlee High School. Audrey Tang from Maggie Walker Governor School. Gavin Sweeney, Mechanicsville High School. Madison Brooks from Atlee High School. Harper Nishimoto from J.R. Tucker High School. In the bassoon section, Gwyneth Thomas from Maggie Walker Governor School. Alina Ho from Godwin High School. In the oboe section, Samantha Grossman, Hermitage High School. Reese Wilson from Maggie Walker's Governor School. In the flute section, Delilah Drakeford from Hermitage High School. Megan Joss from Godwin High School. Grace Boak from Collegiate School. Zoe Fang from Maggie Walker Governor School. And last but not least, in the piccolo section, Chloe Cobb from Godwin High School. Let's hear it for them. We wish them all the luck in the next 2 weeks in their audition and hope they represent us well. Now I'm going to pass the mic off to Mr. Rozecki to introduce our next and final conductor.